Submitting documents to WhatsApp for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required for account approval. This may include identification, business registration documents, or any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Open WhatsApp Business app. Launch the WhatsApp Business app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to submit documents for. Step 3. Access account settings. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Business Tools and then choose Account to find the option for document submission. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Make sure to select the correct files from your device and ensure they meet any specified requirements such as file size and format. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your documents and wait for a confirmation message from WhatsApp regarding the status of your account approval. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents for account approval on WhatsApp. Good luck with your submission.